showcasing the MetalPress MDR-30, our 30-ton all-electric die upender built for the world's toughest industrial loads. The MDR Series is engineered for heavy-duty load handling from dies and molds and uneven industrial components. It takes the difficult and dangerous task of flipping heavy objects and makes the process smooth, controlled, and safe with fully electric rotation and zero hydraulic maintenance. And to keep your operators fully aware at all times, the MDR-30 includes our tri-color LED visual feedback system. Green is ready. Yellow is tipping or indexing. Red is protective stop or fault. Built from reinforced welded steel and equipped with mechanical safety pins and electronic limit switches, every MDR unit prioritizes operator safety and long-term durability. Customize your MDR with options like different table designs, polycarbonate table covers, rotating bases, forklift-friendly frames, and guardrails. Efficient, reliable, and economical, the MDR Series boosts productivity, reduces risks, and makes heavy load handling simpler than ever. Discover the power and precision of the MDR Series. MetalPress, redefining heavy load handling. Visit metalpressmachinery.com for more information.